this is actually my very first video that I'm ever going to be posting, so excuse the unprofessionalism so far. I'm learning things as I go, so just bear with me. But today I'm going to be doing a clean with me video. I'm just going to be cleaning up the house, and at the end we're going to be getting ready for a party that we're going to throw for my husband this evening when he gets home from work. So enjoy if you're watching along for entertainment purposes, or if you're feeling motivated and inspired, then you can definitely get up and clean with me. I know these videos always motivate me to get up and clean along. So anyway, I really hope you enjoy it. This was so fun to make and edit. I had the greatest time. I know I have a case of RBF right here, but I promise it was super fun and I love doing it. So I hope you guys like it, and I'll be popping in throughout the video here and there just to explain a couple things.
Around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret.
Guys, this pumpkin spice candle from Walmart was only $3.33, and it smells so good. So run over to Walmart and get you guys some. It is a game changer. So much cheaper than the Bath and Body Works.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do? Oh, when your train is gone. I don't wanna go back, back. Don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back, back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back.
this couch came with so many different pillows and there are so many different ways to style them. So if you're wondering why I keep looking around at the pillows and trying to figure out what I'm doing, it's because I can't make my mind up on which way I want the pillows to go this day on the couch. Also, we just moved into this house like 2 months ago and I have not hung one picture or anything. So if you have any design tips or anything for me, please leave them in the comments so that I can check them out. I'm dying to decorate this house, but I have no clue what I want to do with it.
Talk to me, it's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh, you wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms?
This is our sweet little puppy Rosie. In case you haven't noticed yet, she follows me around the house everywhere, and even when I'm trying to make the bed, she'll hop up on there 20 times. So she'll keep doing that. Yep, there she goes. But anyway, she's too cute to say no to, so I'll let her do it. Okay, so we don't have like a comforter or like pillowcases that go with our bed or anything like that. We desperately need a new bedding set. So if you guys have any ideas or something that would go nice in this room, please let me know, leave it in the comments. I really want to get one, but there's so many options and I just get so overwhelmed looking through all of them. So if you guys want to help me out a ton, I would greatly appreciate it. Absolutely love these Mrs. Meyer's room fresheners. I spray them on the beds every single day. I think it makes the room and the bed smell so fresh. This is the geranium scent I was just using, and I also really love the lavender.
Everybody else got it going on. Everybody else got it going on. Everybody else got it going on. You make me, oh, hey, lights go out when I see you moving. Hey,
Okay, I totally did not realize that I left this whiteboard up while filming, but if you're wondering what it is, there are these dogs, these little puppy dogs that I really want, and I wrote down all the names of them to kind of put on a whiteboard and put it in front of my husband's mirror so he sees it each day and hopefully gets me one. So just ignore that.
Won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. No, it is way too late, but I just can't get my eyes off you. Maybe we will regret this, but tomorrow is another day. And I will do anything to get your love. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, ooh, let's turn up the love. Might have been.
So now that it is officially fall time, even though here where I live it is still like 90 degrees, I love making the house smell like fall and pumpkins and apples and all the good things. So I'm loving these Glade plugins. I put one in a couple rooms downstairs and one in a couple rooms upstairs, and it makes the house smell amazing.
Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck.
Now my son and I are just getting ready for that party for my husband I was talking about in the beginning of the video. He just recently celebrated his 1-year anniversary at his job, and he's been loving it, so we just thought we'd surprise him and have a little cookie cake and some cards that just say how proud we are of him.
Ooh, let's turn up the love. I've been dreaming about a life, a house, a dog, the whole shebang. I want
Okay
you
guys,
there.
that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, it is one of my very first videos, so I know I have a couple of things to work on, but this has just been so fun. If you are one of my Instagram followers that was sweet enough to encourage me to make these videos, then I so greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Or if you just clicked on this video, if it just showed up somewhere and you just found me, then I hope you stick around. I hope you really liked it, and I hope you come back for more. So if you'd like to, go ahead and subscribe, like this video. If you want all the YouTuber things to say, I guess comment on the video. Anyway, thank you guys again so much, and I'll see you in my next one.
Ooh,